This 3-step resume trick gets you hired faster. It's 100% free. Struggling to get interviews? Your resume might be the problem, not your skills. In this video, I'll show you the 3-step resume trick that's helping people land jobs faster than ever. And the best part, it's 100% free. Step 1 is simple but powerful. Start with a professionally designed template. Don't waste hours formatting in Word. Just head to the Alison free resume builder. Over 200,000 job seekers have already used it. You'll get access to industry-approved designs that hiring managers love. Whether you're applying for tech, real estate, sales and marketing, operations, finance, or healthcare, there's a template for you. Click Select Template and you're ready to go. Step 2. Build and edit your resume with easy drag and drop sections. The tool comes with pre-filled prompts to guide you, making sure nothing important is left out. You can do this on your mobile or desktop, see a live preview, and customize everything instantly. Want to apply for different roles? Create multiple versions in seconds. Everything is editable, downloadable in PDF, and ready to share. Now, step 3, download your resume as a high-quality PDF. Click once and boom, it's ready to go. 38% of learners use this resume to apply for jobs online, and 9% reported getting hired after using the resume builder. Plus, it's 100% secure and private, so your data stays safe. Coming soon, job tracking so you can manage your applications in one place. No more messy spreadsheets, so please subscribe to this channel now. So if you're serious about landing that dream job, stop wasting time with outdated templates and confusing formats. Use this 3-step trick with this free resume builder today. Click the link in the description, start building your resume now, and get one step closer to your next big opportunity. Tell us in the comments, what job are you applying for? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone job hunting.